So when working on a Blender to Three.js project, it's very common to have an add-on where if you make adjustments in Blender, you can use like a hotkey to re-export it and it'll completely update your scene so you don't really have to deal with anything. Now, what if you also have an editor in Three.js, for example, and you make some movements? Well, did you know you can actually sync this up also with Blender? So I'm going to do Control S to save it. That's just the hotkey I chose. Come back into Blender and do Shift I, which is the hotkey I chose, and you can see that is over here. So I can do the same thing. I can just delete this, maybe move this over here, do my hotkey, which is Shift E again. It'll upload here, but I can also, once again, make the changes where I want, and let's scale this up along the center. Sorry, just like this, maybe. And let's just save that, and let's just do Shift I, and now you can see the adjustments are showing up right in Blender as well. So edit in Blender or edit in Three.js, you can sync them up. Pro tip of the day.